Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I look a little bit tired, then it's because I am. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and it's my day off, and I normally get a long lie, but I was constantly getting emails through because I'm due a makeup delivery today. This is going to be a testing video of the Rihanna Pro Filter Foundation and the Pro Filter Concealer. I do have the primer as well, but going from my Morphe testing foundation, I'm actually not going to use a primer. I've just cleaned my face, moisturised it and stuff because I'm literally just up. I know I'm due a delivery, so I thought I would start this video just now while it is early. I done the Morphe one and I didn't actually apply that till the back of 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm going to apply this just now. It's kind of 8:06 in the morning, and give it all day wear test sort of experience again. If I am a little bit quieter, it's because Ava's still sleeping and so is my man, so that's why I'm being a little bit more quieter. We're just going to go ahead and we are going to try this out. I got the foundation in shade 150 just because I heard a lot about how the lighter shades are just too light. I didn't want to get something too light, but I didn't want to get something too dark either. So I just went for the shade 150. I'm pretty sure it does have neutral undertone. And I've got the concealer in shade 145, so I just went a little shade lighter. I'm just going to solely try it out with the sponge, because I have been finding that when I'm trying it out with stuff with a brush, it can kind of pull the product. So I'm just going to try it out with a sponge today. So I actually purchased this on the Harvey Nicole website. So it just looks like this. Packaging is actually really nice. It just says to shake well, and you do actually get 32 millilitres of product in this. So that is slightly more than you would normally get. Actually kind of just looks the same, to be quite honest. So it does actually look pretty runny, as you guys can see. It's running down my hand. I think I've actually used a bit much though. It feels pretty light. Could be quite a good colour match. Already I can see that this oxidises because it's went darker on my hand. Right, so I'm just going to go in with a damp beauty sponge. This is just the Makeup Revolution one, and I'm just going to blend all this out. It does have a bit of a scent, but it's nothing bad. It smells quite pleasant actually, and it's not really strong. This shade is actually a pretty good match for me. I was a bit worried that it was going to be a bit light, but it's actually pretty good. I did see a few people try and light out shade 120 and it was just super too light. I actually really think that's an absolute great match for me, to be quite honest. Wow, I am very surprised at this. Wow, it actually feels amazing. It feels really smooth. Right, so that is what one layer of this foundation looks like. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I like the colour, I like the finish of it. It feels super smooth on the skin. I had heard so many things about this being super drying, but I'm actually getting a really healthy glow with this foundation, but it is giving me the coverage. Just going to go in with the concealer now. This is in shade 145. I just went a shade lighter than the foundation. Again, it's a flat top concealer wand. Wow, that feels super thick. Super creamy and hydrating. Concealer is a little bit on the yellow side, but it's fine. We'll work with it. Again, that has a very sort of dewy finish as well. Wow. I'm actually really liking that. I like that it's not really matte. So that is the concealer and the foundation. I am actually really pretty surprised with this because I had seen a lot of reviews about how this foundation was super matte and really full coverage, like blurred all your pores and everything, and to be honest I was a little bit sceptical, but this isn't. This actually looks really nice. It's given like a nice sort of luminous glow, but it still has the coverage. That concealer is really nice as well. I would definitely say it has like a similar consistency, but it is slightly thicker, the concealer. That shade is a bit yellow for me, but I can still use it. It's nothing serious. But I definitely think 150 has been a good shade for me. I'm actually quite surprised that it's like not super light or super dark. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. So this is what the foundation is looking like just now. It definitely has more of a sort of glowy sort of luminosity to it, which I actually don't mind. I am looking a wee bit more shiny on the camera than I am in the mirror. But the coverage is actually really nice. I really do like that concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead now and I'm just going to add my normal powder, my Stay Matte. Right, so this is what it's looking like with my powder on. I don't have like bronzer and stuff on because I'm going to do all that later. So far I'm really liking it. It has oxidised a little bit, as you guys can probably see. My neck is really white and my face actually looks kind of orange. But yeah, so far I'm actually really liking this. I'm going to go ahead and do like some basic makeup. Maybe not even do eyeshadow, to be honest. Go about my day. I'm not doing anything exciting at all today, and I will do some little check-ins with you guys to see how this is holding up. So far so good. I'm actually really liking this. Bearing in mind I haven't used a primer under this just because I feel like recently the primers have been making me look even more oily. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys in a couple of hours time and I'll show you what it's looking like then. Hi guys, so I'm basically ready for the day. I haven't done my hair, I can't really be bothered doing it, so it's just getting left like this. So this is what my foundation is looking like so far. So far I am still absolutely loving this. I'm just getting ready to go and take Ava to nursery, and I thought I would do a little check-in. What time are we at? 11:30. So this is how the foundation is looking. I think it really does look very nice. It's not looking cakey, it's not looking cakey, it's not looking like I've got a hell of a lot of foundation on either, which is a good thing. Yeah, I feel like it looks very natural but very flawless. Yeah, so far I am absolutely loving this. I did actually panic, I thought this was going to be like super full matte or something, but it doesn't. It actually looks really nice. I haven't put a brush or anything near it yet. I'm just going to let it do its thing. I will come back to you guys in a couple of hours. I'm going to go out and I'm going to go shopping, and when I'm back I'll try and do a little check-in. So I'll do a little check-in once I'm back from shopping and I will let you know what my face is looking like then. Hi guys, so it is now 4:38. And it has been a good couple of hours. I have went to nursery to drop Ava off. I've also went a little bit of shopping, and this is what my foundation is looking like. Yeah, my foundation is so much darker than my neck. Don't know if you guys can really tell, but like I look very sort of, let's just say I look orange in the face and white at the neck because it's noticeable that I've got foundation on. So yeah, I did notice that, and I did actually like try and film a little clip when I was out shopping today, just showing you guys the difference. It was pretty funny. I can't get it onto this somehow, it's just not letting me. But yeah, I went out for something to eat and stuff. I've just come back and put a little lip balm on. So far I'm not seeing a lot of separation. It's not actually too oily either. I was definitely more oily with my Morphe foundation, but by about this time. Actually quite impressed with this. It's actually done pretty well. I'm now going to go ahead and I'm going to film another video because I do have a bunch of makeup that has just arrived. Is oiling up a little, but not a lot. Definitely a lot less than what my Morphe one was doing. I'll come back to you guys by the end of the night and I'll show you what it's looking like by then. So it is currently 9:20 at night. I have actually had this foundation on since about 8 o'clock this morning, and this is currently what it's looking like. I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit. Sorry if I keep on looking in the viewfinder. I do have a mirror down here as well. So as you guys can probably tell, this foundation has actually oiled up. It's oiled up quite a bit. It still actually looks pretty nice. I am now just going to sort of pat the oils down just to see what it looks like. Sorry if you can hear a train. I have actually like patted all these sort of oils and stuff down, and it definitely still actually looks okay. Foundation overall is very nice. It doesn't have any strong sort of scent or anything that's kind of off-putting. It does seem like a very nice foundation. It does seem to go on quite lightweight. It definitely could be built up. I didn't have any issues with blending it or anything. It blended out really nicely with a damp beauty sponge. Haven't tried it yet with a brush, so I'll definitely have to try that out. But it did actually blend out really nicely. Powders and stuff went on it really nicely as well. My only con with this foundation would be that it definitely oxidises. My face, you maybe can't see it because I do have like the ring light on, but my face is actually quite a bit darker than my neck. I'm not too bothered about because I have actually just done like minimal makeup today. On an everyday I would like drag this down the neck and like make it all match up and stuff, but today I've just had like a general day-to-day sort of day. I have really put this foundation to the test. So this has been on for about 13 hours and I actually think it still looks pretty good. I do like how lightweight it is. I do like the coverage. It's definitely buildable, really blendable. There is no scent. I like that you do get quite a bit of product in it. Yeah, overall I do actually really like this foundation. My only con is that it does oxidise, and it does oxidise a good bit, to be quite honest. It's actually making me want to buy the lighter version of it, or the lighter shades, and just try and use that because I actually do really like it. The concealer as well is very creamy, very smooth, but I can see that under my eyes have definitely creased a lot. It has creased quite a lot, but there isn't anything that's like highly putting me off this. Like, not insanely patchy, it's not like rubbed off anywhere, and I've actually been out in the rain and everything and this hasn't like rubbed off or anything. I feel like it's held up pretty well. Yes, it has actually oiled up, but I expect that because I've been out, I've been inside, I've had my heating on, I've had my heating off, I've been out in the rain, and this is actually looking pretty good for all that. This foundation is definitely durable. I do like the shades. I'm pretty happy with the shade that I got, but it has oxidised quite a bit. Really do like the concealer as well, I must say. So yeah, I definitely think it's worth it. I would definitely give this foundation a 4 out of 5 stars, simply just because my only con being it does oxidise quite a bit. The fact that my face is like hella dark to my neck, yeah, that's the only reason why I'm giving it a 4 star. Other than that, it would definitely be a 5 star. I could go as far as saying 4.5 because it is pretty good. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be experimenting a little bit more with this foundation. I do really like it. So yeah, that is my overall review on this foundation. Pretty impressed. Do recommend it and I love it. I'm definitely going to try out the powder. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this kind of content, please do let me know. Just give me a little comment or something. Let me know in the comments what sort of videos you guys want to see. I'm trying my best to do as many videos as I can on my days off. I do work full time as well, guys, so I'm like trying to like pre-film a lot of stuff so that I can have the content up for you guys. I'm really enjoying uploading as much as I can at the moment. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. I know like prom season is coming up soon, like there's Valentine's Day and stuff, and I have a couple of things in the pipeline. but let me know what you guys want to see. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.